Hello guys, today the topic is hemorrhoids, and hemorrhoids are actually piles. Hemorrhoids are caused by the different reasons. These may be constipation, low fiber diet, or straining during defecation, etc. The symptoms may be the painless or painful bleeding, irritation in the anal area, or discomfort, or pain in the rectum. So now let us see what are the internal and external hemorrhoids, as there are two types of hemorrhoids. So the difference is external hemorrhoids are actually the varicosities or swelling or dilatations of the tributaries of the superior rectal vein, while the internal hemorrhoids are the varicosities of the tributaries of inferior rectal vein. External hemorrhoids, they usually occur below the dentate line. Internal hemorrhoids, they occur above the dentate line. External hemorrhoids are covered by the skin as they lie outside, and internal hemorrhoids are covered by the mucous membrane. External hemorrhoids they cause problem when they clot or thrombosed, and internal hemorrhoid, they cause problem when they fall down into the anus, when they prolapse, as they are above the dentate line. So they will usually cause problem when they fall down into the anus. External hemorrhoids are more painful, and the internal hemorrhoids are usually painless. So this is all about the difference in the external and internal hemorrhoids. Now let us see the positions of these hemorrhoids where they occur. There are three main positions: 3, 7 and 11 o'clock. As I've already drawn the diagram to make it easy for you to understand it, and the diagram, please focus on it. At 3 o'clock position, at 7 o'clock position, at 11 o'clock position. So these are the three main positions where they occur. That is 3 o'clock position, at 3 o'clock position, that is left lateral. At 7 o'clock position, it is right posterior. At 11 o'clock position, it is right anterior.